butt pain happen, but you can do at home. Simple trick. Get the ball. Lie down on the mat. I like to start with my top of my butt. Cross your leg. Lie down if you like. Neck is comfortable. I'm going like this. Look at my knees. Check this out. I'm bringing outside. Woo-hoo, that feels so good. And a little lower. And going again. There you go. Ready? Oh, bring your knees outside. There you go. Beautiful. And going a little lower, medial part. Again, still on the same bum cheek. Ready? Going this, outside. Bring the knees outward. Oh. If that's too much, just this is okay. But that doesn't give me too much of the pressure. So I'm actually adding the weight by putting my foot on top of my other knee. Okay, right now it's my ball is right here, almost close to a joint. I'm looking at the left to the camera. I'm moving up and down, sideways. Oh, there is nut. Breathe. Yes. I did a lot of a glute workout. There you go. Totally worth it. Up and down, up and down. Mash it, mash it. Ooh. And grab it again. Right here. Close the top of the butt. And there's a little tiny thing right over here. It is sometimes quite good to massage. Still, I'm adding the weight with my other leg. Roll it. This is not that bad at all today. Okay, I liked the side of my butt again. This hurts. Hurts. Oh, look at that. A lot of knots already gone. I'm moving side to up and down. It's close to my hip joint. Right here. You see it? Hip and my leg. Ooh, there you go. And I'm breathing. And I'm gonna go to other side. Take care of yourself. Come back. Bye.